Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ready to make your university application unforgettable? In a sea of talented applicants, distinguishing yourself is key to securing your spot. This year, for 2025 admissions, you have a fantastic opportunity to showcase your true potential. We'll explore practical, easy-to-implement tips that help you highlight your strengths and passion. By focusing on authenticity and strategic presentation, you can genuinely impress admissions committees. Let's make your application speak volumes about who you are and what you offer. Academic excellence forms the backbone of any strong university application. Maintain impressive grades in all your subjects, demonstrating consistent effort and capability. Beyond just good marks, carefully select courses that resonate with your chosen field of study. For instance, if you're aiming for engineering, take advanced math and physics. Challenging yourself with AP or IB courses, where available, signals a strong intellectual curiosity and readiness for university-level work. This thoughtful approach shows commitment and foresight. The personal statement is where your individuality truly shines. This isn't just an essay, it's your opportunity to tell a captivating story. Think about significant experiences, challenges, or insights that have shaped who you are. Crucially, connect these narratives to your desired field of study and future ambitions. What did you learn? How did you grow? Show, don't just tell, your unique perspective and genuine enthusiasm. A well-crafted statement can make you memorable and highly desirable. Beyond academics, universities want to see well-rounded individuals. Your extracurricular activities are perfect for showcasing your passions and what you do outside the classroom. Whether it's sports, volunteering, a club, or a part-time job, focus on activities where you can demonstrate real commitment and, ideally, leadership. It's not about having a long list, it's about deep engagement and the impact you made. These activities reveal your character, teamwork skills, and ability to contribute positively to a community. Finally, strong recommendation letters can significantly bolster your application. Ask teachers or mentors who know you well and can highlight your unique qualities and contributions. More broadly, ensure every part of your application, from your statement to your activity list, authentically reflects who you are. Admissions committees are looking for genuine individuals, not perfect robots. Double-check everything for errors, punctuation, and clarity before hitting submit. Your authentic voice, combined with careful presentation, will truly make you shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.